Dzień dobry, cześć. Mam na imię Kasia. Zapraszam na lekcję. To jest kanał Polish with Blondes. In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to say that and those in Polish. We already had a lesson when you learned to say this or it. If you haven't seen it yet, take a look at this video. But now a quick recap of that. That will depend on the noun you use. So for masculine noun, it's going to be ten chłopak. For feminine nouns, it's going to be ta kawa. And for neuter, to śniadanie. What about plural? How do you say these? There are two ways to do that, and we've already learned one. Is te kanapki, te pomidory, te kobiety, te koty, te dzieci. And there is one more, and that's something called in grammar masculine personal, because it only refers to masculine nouns for people. And then the form for these is ci. Ci ludzie. Ci mężczyźni. Ci lekarze. Ci piloci. Right, so let's say them one more time, all of them. Ten chłopak, ta dziewczyna, to dziecko, te dzieci, te kobiety, ci mężczyźni. Do you know the word for there? How do you say there in Polish? Do you know this word? The word is tam. Tam. Now, what you need to do to say that and those, you need to add this word tam before the words that we've just practiced. So, ten mężczyzna, this man. Tamten mężczyzna, that man. Ta herbata, this tea. Tamta herbata, that tea. To śniadanie, this breakfast. How do you say that breakfast? Tamto śniadanie. Tamto śniadanie. Te dzieci, these children. So how would you say those children? Tamte dzieci. Tamte dzieci. These people was ci ludzie. Ci ludzie. And if you want to say those people, tamci ludzie. So, there you go. That's the rule you use. It's quite straightforward. You just add tam before the words for this and these that you already know. Let's practice. On the screen, you're going to see two pictures. One will be closer, one further, one bigger, one smaller. So try to use those words to say this. For example, house, like we see now, and that house. Ten dom, tamten dom. Okay, so what about this pair? Ten telefon, tamten telefon. How about this one? Ta lampa, tamta lampa. What about this one? Ten pies, tamten pies. And this one? To ciastko, tamto ciastko. How about this one? To wino, tamto wino. And this one? Ci ludzie, tamci ludzie. And a few example sentences for you. Try to understand what they mean. Ten dom jest mały, a tamten dom jest duży. Ten dom jest mały, a tamten dom jest duży. Can you understand this sentence? This house is small and that one is big. What you can also do, you don't have to repeat the same words in both parts of the sentence. So you can shorten it like this. Ten dom jest mały, a tamten duży. Ten dom jest mały, a tamten duży. Okay, next one. Let's see if you understand this sentence. To wino jest białe, a tamto czerwone. This wine is white and that one is red. To wino jest białe, a tamto czerwone. So again, you don't need to say a tamto jest czerwone. You can skip it and you can make it shorter. Let's see another one. Ta mapa jest nowa, a tamta stara. Ta mapa jest nowa, a tamta stara. What does this mean? Co to znaczy? This map is new and that one is old. So literally this map is new and that one old. We don't repeat the verb. You can also use it when you are asking what's better, this one or that one. So this shirt or that shirt. Ta koszula czy tamta koszula? This dress or that dress. Ta sukienka czy tamta sukienka? This bag, this handbag or that one. Ta torebka czy tamta? Again, you don't need to repeat the word torebka twice. Just use it once. Ta torebka czy tamta? To śniadanie czy tamto? Finally, let's have a look at all of these forms in a table. Ten, tamten, na przykład mężczyzna. Ta, tamta, na przykład kobieta. To, tamto, na przykład dziecko. Te, tamte, na przykład dzieci, kobiety, zwierzęta, rzeczy. Ci, tamci, na przykład mężczyźni, ludzie, koledzy. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Miłego dnia i do zobaczenia. Cześć!